Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss the question of model of civics 2. The question paper, given questions and the written questions, the total marks. The board of intermediate given to the questions intermediate civics model paper second year. 10 marks questions. 10 marks questions. 10 marks questions given the 5 questions. The paper model 10 marks questions given to the 5 questions given. Students get questions to 3 questions. 3 10 jars 30 marks. 3 10 jars 30 marks. Question wise model paper essay questions మనకి 10 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. ఆ ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్ మనం రిటర్న్ చేసేటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏంటని చెప్పొచ్చుంటే 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ రాయడం జరుగుతుంది. దీనిలో మనం గమనించినట్లయితే 3 10 jars 30 marks. First section. The second one, the 5 marks questions. 5 marks questions given 12 questions. 12 questions given model paper section 2. The written questions 8 questions. Each question given marks by the 5 marks. 8 5s are 30 marks. 8 5s are 8 5s are 40 marks. Sorry, 8 5s are 40 marks. The short questions, essay questions, short questions, essay questions. Model number first section given to the 10 marks questions 5 questions. All the students give a right to 3 questions. The marks given by the each question given to the 10 marks. 3 10 jars 30 marks. Next section, the short questions. The short questions given to the total of each question is given to the marks of the 5 marks. The written given questions is the 12 questions, and the students write the questions is 8 questions. Each questions marks by the 8 5s are 40 marks. First section essay questions, second section short questions. Next one, remaining sections section 2 mark questions. These questions are called to the very short questions. Very short questions. The very short questions given in the question paper is 20 questions. Given the questions is the question paper is the 20 questions. The 20 questions. The students write written questions and 15 questions. The question paper, the board of intermediate given to the 20 questions. Each question is given to the marks is 2 marks. Okay, other students, listen. 2 marks questions. Board of intermediate is given by the paper the 20 questions. The students written by the questions the 15 questions. The 15 2s are 30 marks. Okay. Okay. Once total the questions, total the marks. Right? Okay. Question paper is given to the model. First section 10 marks questions. Second section 5 marks questions. Third section 2 marks questions. First one A, B, C. Given to the A section, B section, C section. First one A section, second one B section, third one C section. Okay, listen all of you. First you shoot the blackboard. The question paper model. Section 1, section 2, section A, section B, section C. Section A given given to the questions is 10 marks questions given to the question paper. Next section B given to the very short questions given 5 marks. Section C given to the questions by the very short questions to the 2 marks questions. Okay, the question paper given to the all questions 37 questions. Question paper all questions are counted questions by the total number of questions in the question paper are the 37 questions. The students written by the questions by the total questions count down 5 plus 8, 30 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 1, 26. Total written questions by the students. Every student write that question by the 26 questions. The board of intermediate given to the question by the 37 questions. Okay, identify. First one total marks. Essay question 3 10 are 30 marks, 8 5 are 40 marks, 52 are 30 marks. Total marks given by the question paper 100 marks. Every student understand. These are called the question paper model. All the students they carefully listen. Question papers 10 marks questions and 5 marks questions and 2 marks questions are given by the board of intermediate. Okay, note down all of you. Every student understand the question paper model. Understand you get a good marks. What do you plan? How to plan? How to know? You know to the question paper. After you play, you prepare the plan. You did not know to the question paper. You did not prepare the plan. So first every student you know to the question paper model. After you know to the blueprint. How many lessons? How many lessons in the secondary civics? You know how many lessons in secondary civics? Total lessons are 13 lessons. Each lesson given to the marks. How many marks? Each lesson given to the marks. You know, in how to blueprint, you get the good marks. You did not know the blueprint, you did not identify the questions. Did not identify the 10 marks question, did not identify the 5 marks question, did not identify the 2 marks questions. You know to blueprint, you know, after you get the good marks. Okay, now? Okay, students, we first you the question paper model. Next one, the blueprint. A blueprint of the lessons. We know to the question paper model, you know all of you. The next we know lesson wise marks weightage. Which lesson given to the marks? Lesson wise marks weightage. We know to the lesson wise mark weightage, we get the good marks. Which lesson we read, we get the good marks. So I explained to the blueprint of the lesson wise marks weightage. The first lesson given to the marks, second lesson given to the marks, third lesson given to the marks. You know, all of you draw the table. All of you draw the table, blueprint table. Okay. You know to the question paper model after lesson wise marks weightage. The total lessons given to secondary civics 13 lessons. The part one I divided the 2 parts. First one, part one, you know, you see to the blackboard all of you. The first lesson given to the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India, they given the questions, essay questions and 2 marks questions and 5 marks questions. One question, essay question given to the one question, 5 marks question is one question, 2 marks question is one question. Totally given to the marks by the 17 marks. Total marks given by the 17 marks. Next one, the first lesson. The second lesson is given to the fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. Fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. Second lesson. Okay. First lesson is given to the total marks is the 70 marks. Second lesson also same given. Same marks. The essay question given to the question paper, the essay question 1 question, the 5 marks is 1 question, 2 marks is 1 question. Total marks 70 marks. First question, the Indian Constitution, second one, fundamental rights and directive principles. The third one is Indian administration. The central administration given to 53 parts, Union executive, Union legislature and Union judiciary. The first one, you know, the Union executive given to the marks in the question paper is the essay question 1. Next one, 2 marks questions, 2 questions. Total marks given to the 14 marks. Union executive given to the marks weightage of the 14 marks in 14 marks weightage of the Union executive. Second lesson, next one, fourth lesson, Union legislature. Union legislature weightage of the marks in total marks. Essay question 1 given. Next one, 2 marks question, 2 questions is given. There is no questions given to the 5 marks. Only 2 marks questions given to the 2 questions given to the this lesson. The total marks in the weightage are the 14 marks. Next one, the fifth lesson, Union judiciary. 3 parts. Union administration divided into 3 parts. First now to the Union executives. Union administrators. The first one, Union administrators are the Union administrators. The president, vice president, and the prime minister and ministers. These are called the Union executives. Next one, Union legislature. Union legislature. What is the meaning of Union legislature? Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is discussed by the Union legislature. And making of laws in the Union legislature. The term marks question 1, 2 marks questions totally given by the blueprint of the 14 marks. Weightage of lesson, fourth lesson, the 14 marks weightage. Next one, fifth lesson, Union judiciary. Union administration, all Union depend upon the laws by the Union judiciary. The Supreme Court and the Union judiciary. The Supreme Court. Total is weightage of lesson by the 7 marks. Only 5 marks question is 1. Next one, 2 marks question is 1. This lesson. Next one, total fifth lesson, weightage of marks 7 marks. Part 1 total lessons 5 lessons. Remaining lessons given. Remaining lesson part 2. Once go to the part 2. All of you. Once see the part 2. Next one, 6th lesson. First lesson also Indian, the Indian Constitution. Second one, the fundamental rights and directive principles. Third one, next one, Union executives, Union legislature, Union judiciary. Next one, 6th lesson is called the state executive. 3 parts. First, state and central administration. Central administration divided into 3 parts. Next one, state administration. State administration also given by the 3 parts. First one, state executives. Who are the state executives? The governor, the chief minister, and governor, chief minister, and governor, chief minister, and ministers. And these are called the state executives. State executives weightage of marks, total marks is 7 marks. There is no 10 marks questions in the 5 marks is 1. Next one, 2 marks question is 1. Total marks the 7 marks. Next one, 7th lesson, state legislature. State legislature is called to the Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. This lesson weightage of the 9 marks, 5 marks question is 1, 2 marks questions is the 2 questions. Total marks given by the part of the 9 marks given to the weightage of the lesson. Next lesson, state judiciary, central administration. Central judicial powers is the Supreme Court. State judicial powers is the High Court. Every state will have to have a High Court. Totally, every state, how many Indian state, every state is there have the state judiciary powers. The High Courts is there located in the every state. Okay, this is also weighted of the 7 marks, 5 marks question 1. Next one, 2 marks question is 1. Totally 7 marks weighted of the lesson. Next one, union and state relationships. Class making of union and state relations. This is also weighted of the 5 marks questions 2 questions. Next one, 2 marks question is 1. Totally lesson wise union and state relations weightage of the 12 marks. Next one, local government of India. Local government of India. These weightages are the 14 marks. First one, already you know, first lesson, second lesson, third lesson, fourth lesson, out to the 10 marks questions given, 10 marks is located. Next one, total questions given to the question paper is 10 marks questions, 5 questions. First 4 lessons have the 10 mark questions in the located. Next question, fifth question is located in the 10th lesson. 10 marks question 1, 2 marks questions 2. Totally weightage of the lesson is the 14 marks weightage of the 10th lesson. Next one, the elections and representation. This lesson, 11th lesson. 11th lesson has weightage of the 9 marks, 5 marks question 1 and 2 marks questions 2. Totally 9 marks weightages of the lesson. Totally, next one is the political parties. 13th lesson. How many political parties have in India? So many political parties in India. This lesson weightage of the 9 marks, 5 marks questions 1 and 2 marks questions is the 2 questions. Totally weightage of marks in the 9 marks. This next last lesson is the recent participation of Andhra Pradesh. Recent participation of Andhra Pradesh. Recent development of Andhra Pradesh. Recent development of Andhra Pradesh and India. Recent development of Andhra Pradesh and recent development. This lesson how to divided AP and Telangana. Discuss and the recent development of Andhra Pradesh and India. Okay, this weightage of the 12 marks, 5 marks questions, 2 questions, and 2 marks question, 1 question. Totally 12 marks and the weightage of the lessons. This it is got to the blueprint of the secondary civics blueprint. How to get the good marks? You know, all of you know to the blueprint. You get the good marks. You took the plan. You took the plan and you get the good marks to based by the weightage of marks of weightage of lesson wise weightage. You know, after you plan to the each question out to the 10 marks questions. Which lesson you write 10 marks questions, 5 marks questions. Write to the which lesson, you know, easy identify and easy get the good marks in the every student. The calculated. Every student identify this calculated అంటే ప్రతి స్టూడెంట్ కూడా ఎక్కువ మార్కులు సాధించడానికి ఈ బ్లూ ప్రింట్ బేస్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే మంచి మార్కులు సాధించడానికి మనకి అవకాశం అనేటువంటిది ఉంటుంది. దానివల్ల లెసన్ వైజ్ మార్క్స్ వెయిటేజ్ 2 పార్ట్స్ కింద డివైడ్ చేశారు. బోర్డు మీద కనబడదనే ఉద్దేశంతో 2 పార్ట్స్ కింద డివైడ్ చేశారు. పార్ట్ 1 5 లెసన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. పార్ట్ 2 లోనేమో రిమైనింగ్ లెసన్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. రిమైనింగ్ లెసన్స్ బేస్ చేసి ఈ 2 పార్ట్స్ బేస్ చేసి మనం ఎగ్జామ్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అయినట్లయితే మంచి మార్కులు తెచ్చుకోవడానికి అవకాశం ఉండే విధంగా మనం ఏ లెసన్ చదివితే మనకి ఎక్కువ మార్కులు వస్తాయి, 10 మార్క్స్ ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ రాయాలి, 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ రాయాలి. ఆ 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ రాయాలంటే మనం ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలనే విషయాన్ని మనం గమనించడానికి బ్లూ ప్రింట్ అనేటువంటి మనకి ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్కి కూడా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. అండ్ తెలుగు మీడియం ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం కూడా సేమ్ యాజ్ ద బ్లూ ప్రింట్. ఓకే, అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ you followed the next class we discuss the first lesson. The Indian Constitution of India. How to make of Indian Constitution? So many freedom fighters fight the Britishers after we came to the freedom 1947. How to making of Constitution? The Constitution chairman the Constitution members. After next lesson, start the first unit. These are the first unit of the Indian Constitution of India. Next class, we discuss the Indian Constitution of India. Thank you, all of you. Follow the blueprint. You get prepare the good marks. You get the good marks. Okay, thank you. Not all.